So, everybody, this is directly for 2026 for our small YouTube creator and blogger to ban, strict and guidelines, and close to our account. So, the very scholar about you, and I think for YouTube award for Hackett and all earning money for platform. So, yung mga foreigners gumagamit ng mga maraming account for anything o what a computer assistant for Asian people para lang mag-streak ng money at makakuha sila ng million cash. Ako, ang experience ko sa YouTube, I have no withdrawal because I am devoted to our full text content and my religion and personal life. Lahat dun personal life ko yun. Nagtutrubol akong paano mag-change ang life ko, hindi. And 10 years old. So either to order to follow text policy in new platforms or COM, anything apps platform around YouTube, Meta, TikTok, Snapchat to popular apps tricks around the world to nation in capacity of China and manufactured by Android and Korea. So American iOS around to duplicate about change of political on. So I are demanding to warrant or our YouTube CEO na nagban ng aking mga account ay hinahatulan ko ng arrest warrant and you restrict your personal work in this of platform and control to me. Do not control. Dapat ang kinukontrol mo yung mga tao na nagpapalabas ng mga fake news overact to over earning money over account for not relative for our videos but always big burst Bible explanation and political application. Debato online edited in content creators or whatever are celebrity, actors, singer, or Olympics, or all influencers celebrities post the YouTube account and TikTok. This 2026 is a strict privacy YouTube ay aayusin ngayon in 2026. Tatanggalin ang mga inherited people or whatever. Nagkakaintindihan tayo all CEO and YouTube policy, TikTok, or anything for the war in the beginning of uploaded of revelation. You know, understanding. So, yun yung aking kinuring. Ako, nag-upload ako on what you're doing and what happened to me in this Picard in the Philippines, America. Kaya ako ginagawa ang YouTube for our debate online because it's all never to me in this politics. Dapat, kumikilo sila para mag-change sa life ko. Whatever for longer, and out of people injured for this revolution earth for the World War train and times. But not easy. Lahat yan mawawala pagdating ng time. Kaya understanding for ignoring and difficult because it's all guilty problem in this moment. Understood. Kaya, ang tatamaan ng mga strict ban of YouTube default and deport and warrant working this apps platform ay mawawala ng trabaho. So, further leaving the YouTube because you're leaving the money. Ako, leaving ako sa YouTube pero hindi ako kumikita. Yan ang aking katwiran. I never assist for my paying my money, my personal content. Hindi naman ako bayad eh. Bakit ako ay binaban ng TikTok or strict problem and guidelines? You know who you are about me and a problem. But a simplicity for first video in a thing post. I don't professional role, but how could it exhibit for our scholar and this YouTube for platform for working uploaded and posted. And as is for segment assignment in the content for reacted and overacting and over sound and background for all edited and from an AI but a fake real or fake news indeed fake. So yun lang ang aking ibibigay ngayon sa YouTube policy. TikTok. Bawasan nyo na ang pag-upload ng mga walang katotohanan. But understanding, for living online but you're living money earning. This is world is enjoying for the wars and end times. Lahat tayo mag-enjoy on what happened in the beginning. Dahil lahat mawawala pagdating ng katapusan. Pag nangyari na ang World War III, all destroyed our countries. Technology pa niyan, mobile, all devastated and destroyed. But our country is banned. To strict read counter ban, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Cambodia, Switzerland, UK, Australia, America, Germany, Russia, Ukraine, Italy, Iran, Qatar, Dubai, Angola, Africa, Slovenia, Mexico, Ecuador, uh, all anything around the world. So yun yung aking kinokorek because my upload now is my personal content. Hindi na ako nagka-copyright. Ako copy-link lang ginagawa ko. Because as evidence is here, kinukuha ko ang kanyang personal statement as a fake whatever approve and nagre-report na din ako sa TikTok, nire-report ko na yung mga inherited videos, nagpo-post ng pusa, kukuntin, papatayin, linaglag sa balloon, tapos para lang makakuha ng videos, para lang ako maawa, cut, do editing for all the problems small, for all people inherited to post all problem and attack sa may, and all what happened your CEO. Dapat binaban mo yan. Kasi parang gusto nila mangyari, hindi ko tutuloy ang World War III in end time and all what happened to this revolution there because this peace is our politics war. Yun ang gusto nila mangyari. Gusto nilang magdala ng aking powers but anything in this problem but all is come to me as country. A lot. Wala akong nakinabangan sa history ko. 2015 indirectly entered now 2016 years. Kaya, didemand ako kayo all YouTube policy and CEO working this ops platform o Meta, whatever. I ordered a warrant on arrest and you segment. Patatanggalan ko kayo ng trabaho sa ops platform na yan. Whatever ka, kahit sa Elon Musk ka, sa Zuckerberg ka, o anything professional in this platform, o kung ikaw ang may-ari, I want to urge and order the politics against you for penalty and code. Thank you. Follow to my YouTube channel. Bye.